In this video, I will show how to create a superscript in Canva. For that is, you will not find any default option, but you can create superscript manually. So firstly, open your project. So firstly, click on text and select any style of text. Now type your text and adjust the size. Now duplicate and write any number for superscript. Now make the small size. Now drag and drop here. Now select both and click on group. So this way manually you can create superscript in Canva. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.